Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Chad, one of the sales engineers from Untangle, and I'm going to walk you through some quick changes to our dashboards and reports for our new release, Untangle version 14. So 14.0 does have some major changes. This is a big release for us. We're moving to a new OS, a new Linux kernel. We're on Debian Stretch now for version 14. If you'd like to see the full changelog, you can go to wiki.untangle.com and click on changelogs where you'll see 14.0 changelog. So as you can see, there are some major changes. What I'm going to focus on in this little video is the reports and dashboard section. So on my Untangle server here, my dashboard looks pretty similar to version 13. Not a lot of difference in the actual layout. What is different is the ability to quickly drill down into a specific user, a specific policy, client, whatever you need. So to manage your widgets now, you click Settings. This looks fairly familiar, right? If we want to, we can still disable these or completely delete them. Now, if we want to add a widget, we could add the common ones back. These are our default widgets if you've deleted one of them. We can still import-export data here. We also can still go find a widget from our reports engine. I just want to see the top sites by request. There it is. I'm going to add that to my dashboard. And as always, it throws that at the bottom of your dashboard. If you want to reorder that now, you click Widgets and click Reorder. And once you hover over, you'll get your little reorder arrows, and you just drag that to where you want it to be. So I'm going to apply that and close my widget manager. And so now I have more relevant data. This is what I was looking for. So what I want to do now is narrow this data down to a specific user, a specific client. We could do that really easily on the dashboard now. So maybe we want to add username, maybe it's going to be policy ID. These are quick single conditions to add a global change to this dashboard. If we want to get in and add more conditions, we could just come in and say, I want to add a second one of whether or not this is bypassed. There are a lot of conditions we can add to the dashboard to just help you drill down into information quicker, find the data you're looking for. You can also change the time frame here. These widgets max out at 24 hours of data to display. So if you want to change that to default 24 hours, 1 hour, whatever you want, we can do that right there. Within the reports viewer itself, once again, we can add a condition globally right here. So if I were to click on my same report, top sites by request, same thing. I could add that condition right here, username. I could add more conditions. And I can also change the date range completely here because I'm on the full report now, not just the widget. So this will depend on how much data you retain in our reporting engine. But this is where you can change that. So if you need to see what a user was doing last month and you retain that much information, that's all we have to do is change that to this month, last month, or we just change it to a time range, date range. So this is really interesting because this is something we've been asked for. This is a feature request I know I've seen at least once, and now we're able to do it. So quick and easy drill downs into reporting data, all the same customization you've always had in Untangle reports, but just quicker access to the data you're looking for now. Those are some of the quick changes to our reports and dashboard engines here. If you have any questions, please give us a shout at support@untangle.com or sales@untangle.com.